In this lesson, we're going to create a revolved feature. Let's start by creating a shape. Click the Sketch tool. Choose the top plane. Click the Line tool. Now let's draw our shape. Okay, we're going to close it now and create a center line. Choose the Auto Dimension tool. And let's define our sketch. Click OK. Activate the Feature toolbar and click the Revolved tool. Here we have a few options. You can choose the center line, the direction of the revolution. You can also choose some options from this drop-down menu: one direction, mid-plane, and two direction, where we operate the end of the revolved feature independently. And click OK. OK, and here's our revolved feature.